and holy shit, what the fuck is this, bro? 20%, yo. I check my portfolio and hey, it's looking redder than my blood, dude. Fucking 20% in the red, 30 fucking what, green. Oh, it's the shitty, never changing thing. Anyways, so here's how you can survive the blood bet, okay? There are two ways to make money off this blood bet, okay? First way, I should probably use, yeah, first way, okay, is short. Okay, short term is very like it's one of the easiest way to make money. Okay, the tactic there's a link a video below how to like short trade when stuff is going down, but it's very obviously it's very profitable to like buy a shit ton of coins. Okay, obviously do your research on the coins. Don't buy fucking don't buy this. Okay, if there are two coins which I want you to not buy are Dogecoin. And I wonder which one and this shit, or don't buy. Got fucking shit on. I mean, it's still gonna go up, but like, don't support scamming, okay? Anyways, but just invest when they're low, obviously, because like most of these are very likely to rebound. Yeah, like obviously do your research, but most of them are very likely to rebound, and that's technique number one. And technique number two. You either short trade and like, you either short trade and let me trade in, and you either short it or you hodl, okay? Hodl, buy now and hodl to the moon, as a wise man once said, okay? As I showed you in the past video, okay, the way I short trade is I simply go search a random, not random coin. I do a research on the coin. I put EMA 13 and 34, and like right now, see the blow is, this is not like real time, right? Poet is not, yeah. Like the blue is gonna go under the red now, okay? I know sounds very fucking stupid, simple short trading, but all I do is buy when the blue is below the red and sell when the red is below the blue. Okay, I know it sounds simple, and obviously the higher the gap, the more likely it is to keep widening the gap, but that's not like I'm not sure some people find the peak growth and the peak dips. That's very strange to me still, but like you can easily make profit by just buying coins that you made research on right now, okay? So this video is pretty much telling you to buy, okay, after you research coins which you think are more likely to rebound. I know it sounds dumb, but most people just follow fucking some stupid YouTuber. I'm not gonna give you a coin. I'm not gonna give you my coin or my investment tips or financial advice, okay? Like some people do. Some people just say, this is not financial advice, but it is financial advice. That makes no sense to me. So I'm just not gonna give you financial advice. I'm gonna give you trading advice because I was very successful with trading. Okay, and I can help people with trading, but I'm not gonna give you financial advice what to buy and what not to buy. But Stellar, hey, Stellar is looking nice. Hey, Stellar looking good. I'm joking. I do believe in Stellar, but anyways. So 2 tips, short trade. So tip number 2 is buy now and hodl. Okay, hodl. Those are the 2 tips. Right now I'm kind of drunk, so sorry if this video sounds like I'm drunk, because I am. But thank you for watching. Sub below. There's a free guide for how to make short-term and long-term profits below. Go, it's free. You don't even have to put an email, okay? I'm not gonna email you, okay? So either short-term trading, there's a video below showing you how to short trade, or buy and hodl. It's like you pretty much can't lose. If you buy it right now and you do research on the coin, I mean, just look, let's look at Tron. Where is Tron? Oh, 14, it was like 8. Ew, don't buy Tron. Fucking Tron's, fucking Tron, dude. Anyways, I'm not gonna rant about Tron, but just don't buy Tron. Anyways, so do research about about the coin you're gonna invest in, obviously. Look at their white paper, look at their roadmap, look at their competition, if they're doing anything better or anything marketing wise. If you know shit about marketing, you can easily say, for example, Bitcoin has better marketing than fucking something else. Okay. But that's it pretty much, and hopefully you got some value. Again, short trade or buy and hold are the two ways to make money in this fucking look at this. Oh, red. Living in the sea of red, dude. But yeah, anyways, gonna stop the video right now and click the buttons on the screen. Bye 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 bye.